Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Data Science. Today's topic is Python lists. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Lists are created using square brackets. See, I have provided two elements, one is the apple, second one is the banana within the square brackets. It is the list. If you want, you can check the type. List. At the same time, it will allow duplicate values. If you want, you can provide banana again. It will accept those duplicates. If you want, you can check now. See, it allows duplicate values. This list is changeable, meaning that we can change, add, and remove items in a list after it has been created. Like this. If we want to get the number of elements in the list, you can use the length function. See, there are three elements in this list. At the same time, list allows different formats. For example, I have provided apple, then after 45, then after true, again, then after this is the one element, this is another element, this is the last element. Sorry, I did not assign by using C like this. Then after, by using the list constructor, we can able to construct a list. For that purpose, we need to use two round brackets like this. If we want to access any element, you can use the index like this. I want to access only 45. It will provide by default Python provides index. This is the 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index. I want to access 45. You can access like this. If we want to access 2, then you can give the index 2. If we want to access apple, you can give the index 0. Python supports negative index also. If we want to access from the forward, we need to go with the positive values. If we go with the negative values, it will access from the last in the reverse. For example, I want to retrieve true, you can use the -2 also like this. Range of index. Instead of 1 or 2, you people can able to access more than here also. It will include the first index, it will exclude the last index. This is the 1, 2, it excludes the 3. If we want to get from the starting onwards third element, you don't give anything in the first before the semicolon like this. If you want to get elements after 45, then you can give the 1 here. See, from the 45 here in this position, after the semicolon, it will exclude that index. If you provide anything before the semicolon, it will include that semicolon, that index value. At the same time, if we want to change any particular value, for example, I want to change 1 with red. Now you can check. See, now 45 is replaced with the red. Like this, we can able to change the item value. If we want to insert, for example, I want to insert blue color at the place of 2. You can use the insert inbuilt function 2, comma, blue. Now you can check my list. See, at the position of this 2, it added the blue value. Then after, you can use the append my list dot append which color, green. Now you can check the my list. Automatically at the end of the list, it will append the whatever the value you want. For example, I have the one more list with the digits like this. If I want to match this second list with the first list, you can use the my append. It will it will append entire second list as one of the element. Second list is the one of the element. Instead of that, if you want to match all the elements into the first match, then you can use the extend my list dot extend. Instead of append, you can use the extend. And now you can check, see all the elements in the second list added as a elements, matched as a elements to the first list. If I want to remove any item, for example, see, this is the index 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to delete this 6 1. Now you can check the my list. It removes that sixth element. If you want, you can use pop function also. Now you can check the my list. It removes this one, last element. If you want to delete entire, if you want to clear all the elements in the my list, then you can use the clear inbuilt function. See, now you can check the my list. There is no element in this list. If you want to delete entire list, then you can use the del my list. Now you can check my list. There is no my list. Is not defined. So like this, you can create list with the square brackets. At the same time, it will allow the duplicate values. It will allow the different formats, string, boolean, integer, numeric format. At the same time, you can slice in by using square brackets like this. Then after, if you want to assign any element in the particular position, you can use the index to assign the value in that particular position. Then after, if you want to insert, you can use the other method like this, insert inbuilt function. If you want to add any element at the end of the list, you can use the append function. If you want to match two list elements, then instead of append, you can use the extend function. Then after, if you want to remove, use the del my list, whatever the index you want to remove. By using pop function, it will remove by default last element of the list. If you want to clear all the elements in the list, you can use the clear function. If you want to delete entire list, yeah, then you can use the del. Thank you.